स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. In today's video, we'll discuss about one of the major program which most needed in today's world while considering the health scenario, and that is the Master of Arts in Applied Psychology, and this course you can pursue through TISS. So guys, we'll cover the important points like the eligibility criteria, the cutoff for it, the selection process, program details, seat availability, fee structure, campus, and the most important one, that is the placement. So to catch up all details, stay tuned with me. So guys, in case you want to join our online program, you can call on this number or you can simply visit to the maneuveredu.com. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So moving further, now here we'll talk about the eligibility criteria, and it says the candidate who have completed or are in the process of completing BA or BSc honors in psychology. The second one is the candidates who have completed or are in the process of completing BA or BSc general with minimum 3 papers in psychology. And the third one is the candidates who have completed any bachelor's degree from a recognized university and have completed a university recognized the 1-year program, either part-time or full-time postgraduate diploma in counseling. So these all are the eligible candidates. Now let's move further. And guys, all you know, there is only one formula to enter into this, and that is the TISNET. And guys, to get the further detail about the TISNET, the exam details, paper patterns, you can watch our previous videos. So guys, in the TISNET, you have to score 57 plus marks. So guys, aim high, target high, you should achieve this target. Now here we'll talk about the selection process. The TISNET score plays the qualifying role here. So after cracking the TISNET, you have to go through the second round, and that is the pre-interview test and personal interview. And the scores for PIT and PI rounds will be aggregated in the ratio of 70/30. Now let's move further. Now here we'll talk about the campuses. So the Mumbai campus is one of the oldest campus of TISS, established in 1936, and the major courses offered through this campus only. And the TISS Mumbai hosts around the 12 schools, 6 independent centers and 3 resource centers. The second campus, that is the Chennai Banyan campus, and it is in collaboration with the BAM, that is the Banyan Academy of Leadership in Mental Health, and this campus also provides the Master of Arts in Applied Psychology. Now let's move further. Now here we'll talk about the program details. So guys, let's talk about the psychology first, and it is the science of mind and behavior. And what is meant by the applied psychology? So it is the study and ability to solve the problems within human behavior, such as health issues, workplace issues or education. And guys, why is this program is the major one and very much needed in today's world? Because as we considering the total number of psychiatrists in India are in the range of around 8,000 to 9,000 only. And if we going by this figure, then India has one psychiatrist per 1.5 to 2 lakh people. And guys, there are many factors like poverty, migration, industrialization, rising inflation, violence, upwardly mobile lifestyles, growing aspirations, media exposure, all are contributory factors to the rising tension in everyday's life. And therefore, the Tata Institute first launched the mental health program in 2009 as Master of Arts in Counseling. And after the huge response, the TISS has designed a single master program, that is Master of Arts in Applied Psychology, with respect to both, that is the counseling and clinical practice. So the School of Human Ecology anchors 2 programs, that is the specialization in counseling psychology and the specialization in clinical psychology. The counseling psychology developed out of the previously existing MA in counseling program, and the clinical psychology developed in 2013 to address the need to work with clinical populations. And guys, these programs have been developed in response to the need to equip counselors and clinicians with adequate skills to deal with mental crisis in the country. So guys, these are the program details, like the 51 seats in the Mumbai campus and the 34 seats are in Chennai Banyan campus. The duration of course is 2 years. It includes the 4th semester, where in first semester you will be deal with the foundation course, and in the rest of semester you will be deal with orientation of the course. Now it includes 3 internships, and guys, here the foundation course and the orientation to the course is quite similar in both programs, that is the clinical and counseling psychology. While in the internship in the counseling psychology, students are placed in the hospitals, schools, colleges, de-addiction centers, old age homes, orphanage, remand home for children, and in the family court. While the students who are pursuing the clinical psychology are placed in hospitals in psychiatry departments, and it also includes the research dissertation. Now let's move further. Now here we'll talk about the fee structure. So guys, as all you know, the TISS has a very nominate fee structure. So here's the academic fees is the 1.16 lakh for 2 years, and that is the very nominate. And academic fees with hostel fees is around 2.40 lakhs for 2 years. And guys, this fee structure you will not be get in any other institutes in country. Now here we'll talk about the career scope and the placement. So there are the two phases of placement on campus, with one being the centralized and the other one is the departmental placement process. Now here, depending on one's performance and goal in life, one can enroll with one or both the bodies and can attend interviews. And through the placement and depending on one's specialization, one may land in hospitals, schools, colleges, rehabilitation centers as a teacher and lecturer, counselor in various organizations where one can provide the counseling facilities to their employees, and one can start their own startup also. And you can also work in the government project, a scheme for mental health, in NGOs, in CSR project, political campaigning and strategizing the organizations such as the IPAC, some of the research institute which are mostly associated with psychology testing, and in community mental health centers. So guys, there are a lot of more lucrative opportunities mostly in the NGOs and corporate sectors, because it's an emerging science and hence offers huge opportunities in the future, where in some of the government sectors the psychologists get the pay scale of around 5 to 6 lakh per annum. So guys, don't worry about the placement, because this has the 100% placement record, and there are so many companies who takes parts in the recruitment cell. Some of the companies like the Kurtz International, Deloitte, Piramal Healthcare, where you will get the highest package in the starting range, that is the 6 to 7.5 lakh per annum. The median stand at 5 to 6 lakh per annum, while the lowest stand at 4 to 6 lakh per annum. So guys, don't worry, these all are the initials one. And when considering the fee structure with respect to placement, so guys, the TISS here gives you the best return on investment. So guys, this is all about the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. So guys, if you want to grab a seat in the prestigious TISS, then you have to crack TISNET. And to crack TISNET, join Manwar online program, where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course, and here you can also interact live with us. So guys, just call on this number, or you can simply visit to the manwaredu.com/MBA-entrance, and this link I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. And you can also call on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.